This is Steve Wiedemann. Today we're going to talk about HTML sitemaps and their importance toward helping you improve higher ranking in search results. So in a previous video we talked a little bit about XML sitemaps and how submitting a list of URLs will help the search engines index content potentially quicker than crawling it naturally. This is a little bit different. This allows us to, using an HTML sitemap, allows us to tell search engines more about those pages. So what you see on my screen is an example of pongo.com sitemap. Not much useful information here for search engines, but definitely useful to the users. So users can get to this page and navigate through the website very quickly. Let's look at one that has been given a little more thought. So here you've got a page at Bob's Watches, and this is their sitemap. Now what's a little bit different about this sitemap, and I'll give you a few more examples in a few minutes, but it allows the search engines two things. One, it allows them to crawl and catalog keywords used in links. Two, it allows for a more efficient passing of PageRank, since the sitemap is linked to from every page on the website. And if you recall, when we talked about Google PageRank in a previous video, PageRank is how Google passes value through or authority through from one page to another. And the great part about having a sitemap is that it's linked to from every single page. So Google doesn't have to crawl through one category and a subcategory and a sub-subcategory to get to the sitemap. It's linked to from every page, and every page is linked to respectively. So one example I like to use with this in the past is again, depending on the size of your website and how many pages you have. For a smaller website, if your homepage, right, we'll just say homepage, category, subcat, and product detail slash selling page, right, whatever your lead generation and not a product site, right? So your homepage, let's just say your homepage has a page rank of 8, right? PR 8. Thinking mathematically about how Google passes PageRank through your site, links from your homepage to your category may pass a PR 7, and your subcategory may pass a PR 6, and your product detail page may pass a PR 5, because you're going down and down and down. Oops, here we go, 5. Now, in having a sitemap, you've got home, sitemap, and then you've got your product detail selling page. So again, doing the math on this, you can see how the distribution of PageRank will be less. PR8, and it isn't an exact science, and the math might not always work out, particularly for larger sites, but PR7, PR6. So there's the possibility or potential, depending on how you've segmented your sitemaps if you're a large site, or if you're even using one if you're a smaller one, that you could pass more PageRank through to the individual pages on your website simply by having that sitemap. More PageRank obviously means more authority, means higher ranking. So having an HTML sitemap may indirectly help you rank better in search engines. This is Steve Wiedemann. Please leave your comments in the section below, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.